and today's lesson is hooked on proper phonics. Here today to help me is my friend Taquisha.
Shateaqwua.
I'm sorry, Taquisha.
Shateaqwua.
Shateaqwua.
Yes.
Shateaqwua.
Yes, girl.
Yes, I'm so sorry. I will not get it wrong again. Okay.
Oh,
let's get started. The first word is you don't even know.
Okay, girl.
More like a phrase though.
Girl, I'm talking. Shoot. U-O-E-N-O.
Yes.
It's U-O-E-N-O. Children, thank you.
Number 2 is chicken.
Alright, let me get some of that chicken. It's not chicken, it's chicken.
Chicken.
Yes, you did, girl. No, go. Yeah.
The third word is Lamborghini.
It's my stuff. Hey. Boo-boo.
That leads us to our fourth word, boo-boo.
Boo-boo.
Boo-boo. That leads us to our fifth word, Ratchet. This Ratchet girl right here.
Ow. No, I know you're not just calling me Ratchet. 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 That's how you say it. Ratchet. Ratchet. Ratchet.
Ratchet. Ratchet.
Girl, can we buy your weave?
She's Ratchet.
Ooh, I just need that. Shakeisha on you. Shakeisha.
No.
Shakeisha.
That leads us to our sixth word. We've come to two-part words here. Seatbelt.
Daquan. Now, honey, I'ma ask you again, and this the last time. You need to put your belt seat on.
You need a seat belt.
Oh, get that belt, and I whoop you with the seat belt on the belt seat. Yes, go. Got a little tired, so had to take out my weave for a second. What is you doing?
I'm trying to make that sound you just made. We're like,
do it, boo. No. No, shut up. Oh, they right behind this wall though. My other neighbors, they kind of.
yeah. Hey guys, how you doing? It's Brandee, and thank you for watching that video. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share.
It's not coming out. It's not coming out.
You're supposed to undo it from the back. There we go.
It's not coming on my arm.
You sweating?
Is uncomfortable?
Yes. I'm sorry, boo boo.
Oh, that lit.
That's funny. We're probably just leaving it on the camera. Oh, like I was saying, give this video a thumbs up, like it, share, and don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels. Yeah, new videos every Friday.
And the second part of the video is on my channel, so if you want to see that,
Description box below.
no, you're not. It's gonna be
Right here.
and subscribe.
Do you edit or no? You edit or y'all?
Y'all. So whatever. So thank you for watching our video, and I give you.
Follow me on all social media.
I give you a thumbs up.
Hey, shut up.
I give you a thumbs up for being awesome for watching our video. Thank you.
Yes, we love you.
Oh, my phone's ringing. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Good night, folks.